Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Plaid for bank linking step by step clearly. To register with Plaid for bank linking, start by visiting the Plaid website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address in the prompted field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. After entering your password, confirm that you have read the terms of service. Next, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Plaid. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Plaid website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, look for the option to link your bank account. Select your financial institution from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you select your bank, provide the necessary login credentials, such as your username and password. Follow the prompts to complete the authentication process. Plaid will securely connect to your bank account and verify your information. Once the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now use Plaid to manage your linked bank accounts through your applications. Remember to log out when you finish for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.